everyone! Today's video is about planting kangkong in water. First, prepare a seedling tray. Second, prepare a soil. My soil is basically a mixture of 1-to-1 ratio of ordinary and fertile materials. Let's start filling up. On each hole, I am putting 2 seeds. After 5 days, they grow amazingly. So this is the great part. I am preparing my next container for the transplanting. I will be using a styrofoam to prevent so much heat. That may affect the roots. Let's start filling up our container. My water has no any mixture, but purely from tap water faucet. On filling up the container, water will be enough as it touches the button of tray. Here is the update after 2 days in new container. And after 1 week of transplanting, here are they. Finally, presenting my 3 weeks old kangkong in water.